Sentenced the defendant to a fixed term of life imprisonment without the possibility of parole.
Brian Kohberger, the former criminal justice doctoral student convicted of murdering 4 University of Idaho students in 2022, was sentenced to life in prison on Wednesday. The 30-year-old received 4 consecutive life terms without the possibility of parole or appeal, under a deal with prosecutors that spared him the death penalty. In return, he pleaded guilty to 4 counts of first-degree murder. Judge Stephen Hippler gave Kohberger an opportunity to make a statement before the sentence was pronounced.
I respectfully decline.
Those were the only words he uttered during Wednesday's proceedings in Idaho's 4th District Court in Boise. 20-year-old Ethan Chapin, his 20-year-old girlfriend Xana Kernodle, and her 21-year-old roommates Madison Mogan and Kaylee Gonsalves were killed on November 13, 2022. Kohberger admitted to the underlying allegations that he had crept into an off-campus house under the cover of pre-dawn darkness and stabbed the 4 students to death with a hunting knife, then slipped away. 2 other women living at the house survived unharmed. Numerous family members and friends of victims vented their anger and anguish directly at Kohberger through victim impact statements at his sentencing.
I will call you what you are: sociopath, psychopath, murderer. And that darkness you carry, that emptiness, you'll sit with it long after this is over. That is your sentence.
There has been no mention of motive, and authorities have yet to offer an explanation for what might have driven Kohberger to commit the crime, including how or why he singled out his victims. Judge Hippler said an explanation might never come.
In my view, the time has now come to end Mr. Kohberger's 15 minutes of fame. It's time that he be consigned to the ignominy and isolation of perpetual incarceration. And therefore, I will not attempt to speak about him further, other than to simply sentence him so that he is forever removed from civilized society.